Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, how much does a cloud weigh? It's easy to dismiss them as weightless wisps floating effortlessly through the air. After all, they look fluffy and light, don't they? But here's a fact that might blow your mind. An average cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. Yes, you heard that right. 1 million pounds. Let's break it down. Clouds are made of countless tiny water droplets or ice crystals, each suspended in the air. While each droplet is astonishingly small, about the width of a human hair, the sheer number of them adds up fast. Scientists estimate that a typical cumulus cloud, the kind that you'd point out on a sunny day and say looks like a bunny or a castle, contains about 500 million grams of water. That translates to roughly 1.1 million pounds, over 1 million pounds for a single cloud. To help you picture this, imagine two adult elephants standing next to each other. Now multiply that weight by 50. That's the weight of a single, ordinary cloud drifting above you. Or think about it this way. If a cloud could step onto a scale, it would massively outweigh the largest passenger plane, despite never looking heavy or cumbersome. Here's the part that makes it so fascinating. For all its weight, a cloud doesn't come crashing down to Earth because its water droplets are spread out across a huge volume of air. The droplets are light enough and tiny enough to stay suspended thanks to rising warm air, wind currents, and a delicate balance between gravity and atmospheric forces. So the next time you glance up at the sky, take a moment to appreciate the science behind it. Those puffy, picturesque clouds aren't just beautiful. They're carrying a weight equivalent to small mountains above our heads, a marvel of physics we all take for granted. Isn't it incredible to think about? Millions of pounds floating in plain sight. The world above us is heavier than we ever imagined. But how do clouds keep their million-pound weight afloat? The answer lies in physics. As warm air rises, it reduces the density and pressure around the droplets, allowing them to stay aloft. It's the same principle that allows smoke from a fire to rise toward the sky or helium to lift balloons. The forces holding clouds in place are so powerful and so constant that we rarely stop to wonder about them. So the next time you glance up at the sky, take a moment to appreciate the science behind it.